also a very good set of performers. Let's watch their performance after this. Okay.
So this is our one and only skit for the evening. Now the skit is called Control Alt Corporate. Now they have a disclaimer with the skit. Okay, there's a disclaimer. This skit is a light-hearted depiction inspired by scenarios from corporate life. The characters, situation, and dialogues are entirely fictional and created for entertainment purposes only. So this is just for fun, is basically what I just said. So come on over, guys. This is Control Alt Corporate.
Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues and friends, a very good evening. Today, we take a short break from meetings, deadlines. Here comes our skit, Control Alt Corporate. Here comes two bright-eyed, enthusiastic interns walk into the corporate world for the first time. Full of dreams, confidence, and LinkedIn certifications. Let's welcome Radiant Rishabh and Optimistic Omkar to the dais. That's our developers, the warriors of late-night mergers, the philosophers of failed builds. Let's welcome Versatile Vishal to the dais.
Good morning, sir. Morning, guys.
Sir?
Morning, guys. Sir, I just completed my AI course finally. Oh, great.
I have also completed my certification, sir.
Super.
Do you have any task for us?
Yeah, I have a critical task for you guys. So, can you see this screen? I can see a click button there.
Do we have to write backend for it?
No, guys, hold your excitement. You just need to test this button for next 4 days. Just click it at least 50 times a day. 50 times?
4 days?
And this will decide your future. अभी करके देते हैं।
मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ।
Up next, a tale as old as time. One side, our developer, master of Git, say it works on my machine. On the other hand, our QE, brave soul fighting bugs, broken builds, and broken dreams. Let's welcome our QE perfectionist Pandu.
Hey, hi Vishal, how are you?
Good morning, Pandu.
Hey, actually I'm waiting for the build. When are you giving me the build? I want to do alpha testing, beta testing and gamma testing.
Must do basic alphabetic testing, Pandu.
हे भगवान तेरी लीला अपरंपार है।
कितना ओवर एक्टिंग करने लगे हो पांडु? एक्टिंग क्लासेस ले रहे हो क्या?
Hey विशाल, पहले तुम टाइम पे बिल्ड दे दिया करो, बाद में मेरे एक्टिंग या टेस्टिंग के बारे कमेंट करना।
Regarding the build, I have committed all the changes.
Is it?
Final commit is pending. I will give you build today.
Hey, you are telling same thing from past so many days, still not giving me the build. I think you will give build after KGF 3 movie only.
My night is messed up today.
Let it. ऑफिस में सो रहे क्या? रुको थोड़ा लेके आता हूँ। Hey, भाई कुंभकर्ण।
I was not sleeping. I was just praying. I have given the build. You can start your testing.
Oh, is it? Finally, I got a build. Today is a bug celebration day. Expect minimum half century of defects from me.
Okay, okay.
And now enters our product manager, roadmap runner, deadline dominator to check on the feature. Welcome our lawmaker Lalita to the dais.
Team, where are with respect to the feature complete?
I have already given the build for testing.
Yes, I got a build, but there are 43 critical defects. All of them were marked as old fix, and application crashing defect is still open. Yeah,
Hey, build is working fine in my setup.
is it?
Must be your setup's issue.
Yeah, same as usual.
How come so many defects?
Defects, defects, defects. I don't like it. I avoid. But defects likes me. I can't avoid.
Padu, how many times did you watch KGF movie?
Madam, how many times did we miss release deadlines?
All right, one more. Okay, but what about the last defect?
Oh, that application crashing defect. That is reassigned to me as if I'm a developer.
Hey, that is not a defect.
Then what?
That is a new feature. Surprise reboot.
Oh, wow! Then let's reclassify it as expected behavior. Agile. It is more fragile than we think. The daily stand-up. That magical ritual where everyone talks, no one listens. And somehow we still miss the deadline.
Which I do.
Here comes the Scrum Master, Task Transformer Tejasvi, our calendar queen, blockbuster, and full-time reading machine.
Guys, we have stand-up meeting in 2 minutes. Then we have sprint retrospective, backlog grooming meeting, stand-up meeting, stand-down meeting.
KG man, so many meetings. Can I code in between?
Let's think about that later. For now, let's go with stand-up meeting. What is your update, Vishal?
Same as yesterday. Trying to resolve some merge conflicts. Can we take this discussion in side parking lot?
Parking lot meeting is really held in a parking lot?
Guys, okay, QE.
Oh, me. I have no requirement, no test cases, no hope. Given build is breaking, application is crashing. Still, if you insist, I will give green status for red color blockers. No option.
Pandu, let's park blockers for the retrospective meeting. For now, let's go with sprint review meeting.
Tejasvi,
Yes.
forget about the review. What is the progress?
Progress.
Yes.
For that, I need my progress.
Let progress. Let progress.
The story continues for done criteria. How can any product or skit go out without documentation? Here comes our documentation specialist, Kahani Master Kusuma.
కొంచెం వాళ్ళకి చెప్పు
Musicians. కొట్టండమ్మా.
Hey Vishal, here is the user guide. I have worked for a week to complete this. Do you know I was 1 month behind you for the inputs?
Looks good, Kusma. I will go through it when production crashes.
Perfectionist Pandu,
Okay.
please don't give me 100 defects. I cannot complete it. Do you know there is something called dog freeze too?
Oh, is it?
Oh, then can we ship the feature today?
The API spec isn't even ready.
It's okay, no worries. We can document it in the next sprint, maybe.
Next sprint or next release? Oh my god.
Hey team, can we introduce the latest feature in our documentation?
What is that?
Surprise reboot!
Smart.
If we will document it, then how will it be surprise?
Oh, super smart.
Perfect. This team is the world-class example for decision making.
हे प्रभु हे हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ
Last but not least, here comes our heroic director, dynamic Deepa. It's Monday morning. The coffee is strong. The motivation is weak. And the outlook calendar is scarier than a horror film.
Team, I'm
going to announce our next big thing, Chitti 3.0 Robo. It will automate tasks, it will predict bugs, and it will also write status reports.
Wow! Then will it help me in roadmap planning too?
Yes, it will. But don't worry, it won't replace people. Yet.
I think it will help me in coding and development also.
Yeah, I got another thing to blame when application crashes. Let Chitti come. I will see.
Can it actually take care of my meetings so that I can actually work?
Between us, I'm a bit worried. It might replace me at the next board meeting.
I am worried too.
Don't worry. If Chitti takes over, let's update our LinkedIn profiles.
I am Robo. Speed 1 terahertz. Memory 1 zettabyte.
Boom, boom, Robo-da, Robo-da, Robo-da. Boom, boom, Robo-da, Robo-da, Robo-da.
Ah, Chitti. Perfect timing. I think I need a coffee. Do you know how to make coffee?
Initiating coffee delivery protocol.
Wow, he knows.
Last priority, very important.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh no. I think he spilled coffee. I'm okay.
Congratulations, Chitti. First defect logged. Coffee spill incident. You are gone.
What is happening? No, not me, not me, not me.
Sorry.
Our TV. What happens?
It hurt.
Will it shoot me during my meetings too?
Yaar, if this Robo comes home, it can handle my Amma's 100 questions.
And if sees my messy room, it will say like, messy room detected, initiating cleanup.
Maybe AI won't replace me after all, but it might take my coffee breaks. Here's to Chitti 3.0, our clumsiest yet most promising team member. Cheers!
This was Corporate Life, as real as your 5 p.m. deployment. Thank you for watching. Now, go like, share and subscribe on Viva Engage if we made you laugh.
Na pata sudu, na pata sudu, nadu, 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 ila nadu, 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 ura nadu, 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 manchimira balaga vincha nadu, 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 vichu kandilaga virri nadu.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Did you guys have fun? We had our first AI skit